Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to run a basic Java program. So let's get started. For that you require a Java installation. For those who don't know how to install Java, you can check my videos. So it is explained clearly so how to install Java into this system. So I'm using an editor like Notepad++ and Eclipse IDE and all that. So we will use Notepad in this basic video. Okay, so how to go to the Notepad? Just click on Windows key on the keyboard and search for the Notepad. Okay, in this to write a Java program you require a class. So how to declare a class? By using a class keyword, and you can give a class name anything you can give. So I will give a class name as basic. Okay, and open brackets, and I will close it. So you have declared a class. Okay, fine. Then you should declare a main method. Why you should declare a main method in the Java? Because the execution starts from the main method but not from the class. So you should declare a main method into this. So public static void main and string args. Okay. So here the S should be capital. Okay. So see, I will. Okay. So what is this line which you have written it? So I will explain it. In Java there are a lot of lines we will write it. Suppose we will write methods in Java and all that. So we will collectively taken into an array. So that's why we will use here array here. Okay, so what type of what type of elements we will take in array? We will take it as a string, because if you take it as an integer data type, it will take only the integers but not any other. So if you declare it as a string, it will take all the methods, all the data types which will read. Suppose if you want to declare an I variable and all that, you can take it. So that's why we will declare a string here, and void is which will not return anything. So main method will not return anything, so that's why we will require void here. So static, why we will require main method as static but not non-static? So if we require a non-static, then then we should require a object reference variable to call the main method and all that. But the JVM will throw an error because the object creation is not done to the main method. The JVM will throw an error. So we will not able to declare method as the main method as non-static. So yeah, so this is the thing. And public is which to access modifiers which will use it. So public is which, like we can access the file from any other packages or class, we can use it. So we will declare a public in this. Okay, to print a message onto the console or command prompt and all that, we can have a line of code, simple line of code, just system dot out dot print ln. Okay, open brackets, and I will write message as I am learning Java. You should end with a semicolon here. Okay, so this is the basic code which I want to run it. So what is this line I have written it? So system, here the system is a class. System is a class. From system I have taken an object out is an object, and print ln is a method to print ln is a method which I want to print a particular line to the console or thing. Okay, let's save it with basic dot java. Okay, dot java is an extension, you should use it. Okay, let's save it. Here you should use the same class name. Why you will use the same class name, we'll discuss in further videos. Okay, okay, see here, dot java file is there here. So how to run? By using command prompt. Okay, go to the command prompt by using by pressing the Windows key and R, and enter cmd here. and the I have a file here into the desktop. So how to go to the desktop folder? So you can use cd, change folder and folder name which you want to go. So I want to go to the desktop folder, so I have entered here cd and desktop. For some users, they have saved in another drive, suppose E drive and D drive. So how to go it? So see, if I want to go to the D drive, D and colon, so just enter colon, okay, and press enter. So that's it, you will go to the D drive. Okay, so I have saved the file in the C drive in the desktop folder. So I will go to C drive colon C colon and C desktop folder, CD desktop. So it will go to the desktop folder. To compile a Java program, you should require a command Java C, Java C and file name which you have given it. So file name is basic.java. Okay, just click on enter. If there are any errors, it will show it. If there are no errors, then it will compile it. Oh yeah, it is, there are no errors in the compilation. Okay, let's run it. So to run, we should use a command Java and class name. So what is the class name we have given? Basic. Okay, so enter. So see here, the the message which I want to print it here is printed. I am learning Java. Yes guys, so successfully completed. So just thank you so much for you guys, and like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much.